Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janelle and I am back with another video, and today I am in my bikini because it's summertime and you know what that means. It's time for the pool, it's time for the beach, good times, tan lines, and glowy skin. And I have some products for you guys to help you get that glowy skin that we need for this summer. But before we get into all of that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so you're notified every single time I post a new video on Sundays or Wednesdays. Now let's get into it. Today's video is sponsored by Boracay Skin, and they have these amazing gold and bronze shimmering oils that I love. I absolutely love. Okay, they are vegan and cruelty-free brand, and the products are coconut based and inspired by the tropics. So they've just launched their new kabuki brush to help apply their shimmering body oils. They've been working hard behind the scenes to bring the highest quality kabuki brush to you guys. The brush is super duper soft and it's dense, as you can see in the footage, and it's perfect for applying the body oils without the mess. Y'all, it's so soft. I love it so much. I just want to rub it on my face, but I know I'm not supposed to. So I just pour a little bit of the body oil onto the kabuki brush and rub it across my skin to apply the shimmering body oils, and I instantly get a glow. As you guys can see, there's gold flecks and flakes in the body oil to give you that shine, that glow, that radiance, okay? And like I said, this brand is vegan and cruelty free, okay? The ingredients in the body oils are sunflower seed oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, and olive oil. These oils are great for the skin, at least they're great for my skin. And another thing about these oils is that there is some fragrance in them, but there's not too much, okay? It's not too overpowering, not very strong. It's just a nice subtle coconut scent. You guys know that coconut scent, like not that fake coconut scent, but like the real coconut scent. That's what it smells like, and I absolutely love it. Skin can be a little sensitive to fragrances sometimes, but my skin is not bothered by these body oils at all. I don't have any reactions, so that's something that I really do love about them. I brought these oils with me on my vacation to Costa Rica, which there will be a vlog coming soon, so stay tuned. And I also posted a reel on my Instagram actually applying the oil in Costa Rica, so make sure you go check out my Instagram, okay? So you can see that reel because it's super cute and fun, and you know, just why not? Why not? It literally feels like the sun is inside of me, right? Just shining through. Does that make sense? I don't know, but it sounds good. These body oils are perfect for the summertime. Okay, a tan is great. Of course, we all love a good tan, but this body oil will take that tan to the next level and give you that extra oomph, that extra glow. You know, you won't be able to keep them off of you type-ish. It's not just good for the summertime. It's not just good for that. It's also good for a night out if you want to just add a little highlight, add a little shine to your body. You can also use it as a daily moisturizer if that's your thing, if you want to glow every single day, honey, because why not? Yeah, I love this oil. It's great for almost any occasion. Another thing that I do want to mention about this body oil is that it doesn't wash off super easily. You know, I went in the pool after recording this footage, and after coming out of the pool, you could still see the gold flecks on my body. There's still a glow. You guys really can't see it in the camera now since I'm inside, but there's still glow flecks on my body. Like, I'm still glowing, all right? Even after swimming in the pool for a little bit. So that's a good thing. Of course, it's easy to wash off in the shower. You know, you're not gonna be scrubbing for days, but it's just nice to know that I can take a dip in the pool or a dip in the water and come back out and still have the product on my body. It also makes my skin super soft. Besides the glowiness, you get moisturizer, you get glow, you get everything you need. And if you would like to try these products out, you can get them on boracayskin.com, or you can check out their Instagram at boracayskin. And don't worry, y'all, you know I'm the plug, and I got y'all with the discount code. It's Janelle15, and you can get 15% off of your purchase. So make sure you grab some of these body oils and the new kabuki brush as well, because it's just so good. That's all I'm gonna say about that. But so anyways, that's really the end of this video. I know it's super short, but I just wanted to bring these products to you guys because I just know you guys would love these products, because I do. It's summertime, why not? That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you to Boracay Skin for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys go check out their Instagram, and don't forget to follow me on my social media. My handle is @JanelleSequira_XO, and all of the information will be in the description box down below. You already know. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.